This is my 94 Celica. According to Wikipedia, it's a sports car. But what kind of sports car doesn't have a wing? And there it is, the rear wing. So this is an OEM one from the Celica GT. So it's not an aftermarket. But if you're looking to add style, downforce, performance edge to your ride, installing a rear wing is the way to go. So today I'm going to show you how to install one step by step. Okay, of course, I know this wing adds about much downforce as you putting 3 crates of beer in the trunk, but right now it's all about the look. So let's get started. So before I start drilling holes in my trunk, let's go over the tools what I think I need. So I need drill, measure tape, masking tape, some bolt, wrench, marker, and universal glue, and of course the rear wing. The most important step is placement, because I don't want to look it bad. I don't want to look like that. I want it to look good. So I'm gonna use some masking tape and masking this area, and for of course to protect the paint I use my marker and draw where it is the wing gonna be. So I'm gonna use some masking tape to protect the paint. And do that to the other side. And now I'm going to draw around the wing, so I know it's the exact position where I want to install my wing. So let's get started. So there it is, the exact place where the wing is going to go. So now I'm going to measure where is the hose. So I think I'm going to use this speed square to draw a hole line from the center of the hole. This is the center of the hole, and I'm measure somewhere here. So this is 76 mil. So this is 76, and here it's from here the center is 67. And now I measure this one. So from the edge it's 95, and from this edge is 22. So now I get this out, and I'm going to measure here. So from here it's 95 mil. It's 95, and from the edge is 22. So here I need to drill here, 76, 76 from here, and the edge is 65, so here. Almost forget to check the plastic under the trunk. I think this plastic cover, this one, it's under the hole, so I need to remove that plastic. So now I remove it. So, and don't forget to remove the plastic cover. There are some clips. Okay, so I remove the plastic cover. So the hole is going to be somewhere here. So there it is, another hole in the trunk. So I think I can easily tighten the bolt. But let's find out. So first I'm going to use a tiny drill to start the hole. Okay, and drill this one too. Okay, okay, so now the right size. So I'm going to drill carefully. And I'm going to drill. So as I started editing the video, I realized somehow I managed to record the whole installation process with the front camera. So, meaning there's no actual footage of it. So let me summarize. It's not the easiest thing to hold the wing in a place and screw in the bolts at the same time when you're doing it alone. Luckily, I drilled the holes in the right spots, so that wasn't an issue. Remember, measure twice, drill once. One thing to note is that the bolts on this wing are slightly angled. Um, so when drilling, try to follow that angle. This was my first time doing something like this, but I'm happy with the result. Now let me show you how it turned out. I think it looks great, and the car is already looks sportier. So I think for the first time it's great.